Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be discussing about NVIDIA. That's the first analysis I'm doing on stocks in a very long time, but rest assured that on this channel I'm also going to do analysis of stocks and not only crypto. So before we continue, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are a crypto trader, stocks trader. We are going to be discussing all of it. But today I'm going to give space to NVIDIA to give you some price prediction, what I think it can be happening today. Today we're going to have the earnings. So we're going to see people are going to get disappointed about NVIDIA earnings. Um, we can see all the price prediction, how high we can see NVIDIA to go for this end of this bull cycle, or how low as well, where we're going to find a good buying opportunities. As you can see, guys, I'm going to go on the weekly chart straight away and show you what's happening right now with NVIDIA. So there is something which I really like is the fact that NVIDIA had a first top around over here at 142, and right now is sitting slightly below its previous all-time high. Then what happened? We had a beautiful pump after this dump over here. We had a beautiful pump to the upside. As you can see from here, we went down up to this level over here at 131, and then suddenly we dropped again a little bit, had a pullback again, and now we are again off the races. So today is going to be very important to see if earnings are going to come above expectation or below expectation. So people are asking me, where do you think the top is in, how high we can actually go to? Let me show you in 1 second. So on the weekly chart, guys, you can see that what I like to do in general to understand tops and bottom is to find on the weekly in general, or even on the monthly, I like to find a potential bearish divergence. Of course, we had already one over here, but it seems like NVIDIA wants to go and form one last blow off top in this chart. And usually what I utilize is the Fibonacci extension. You can see this mathematical equation which can tell me how high the price of a stocks or crypto can go. And right now, guys, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension is screaming at $173. And then again, if I go in conjunction with these 2 points over here, first top over here, second top over here, and the third top around this area, it's telling me that NVIDIA could have a potential to go up another from here 30-40% before reaching a proper top. And again, this target could be achieved in between October and December 2024. Also, what I like to see from this kind of like point over here is utilizing my RSI and stochastic RSI. You can see that on the weekly, we were forming a bearish divergence on the RSI. We had a bearish divergence over here. We had a correction. Bearish divergence over here. We had a correction. Now we broke the structure again, and now what we could be seeing could be one last final pump to the highs, okay, around maybe October and December. And what I could be expecting could be to retouch with the RSI this level over here. Some people tell me it's impossible, it's not going to happen. Well, wait and see. And again, after that, there could be a more, I would say, of a condition to see a bigger consolidation or correction. I'm going to also have a look on the monthly as well very quickly where we are on the monthly chart. Guys, the monthly chart looks absolutely shocking in the sense of, as being so bullish NVIDIA. And in my opinion, we are about to potentially push one more time. And then I think we will have to, of course, experience a sort of like a stronger pullback. But again, as I said before, what I would like to see from this point over here would be a proper, nice bearish divergence on the RSI. So it could be something like this and then something like this. That could be something that is going to make me believe that the top for this macro cycle is in. But again, guys, looking at the technicals, that's what I can see right now. I'm going to go now on the daily chart and show you a little bit better what's happening with the daily, and I'm going to cancel all of that. So as I said before, we said that we were able to break this important level of previous resistance, over here, and we retested that level. I'm going to connect this point over here to this point over here. So we retested this level, we bounced very, very well. So right now it's going to be a matter of are we going to continue to go higher and then break this previous all-time high, or are we going to go and see a pullback from here? So what I could be seeing in this situation, guys, is going to be the following. So we can see that we have the previous all-time high sitting at this area. We have also another important level of support around this area over here. And what I like to do is to, first of all, understand through a Fibonacci retracement how low NVIDIA could go down to from this point over here, but also from this point over here as well. So around this area, what I will say is I will think more that because we broke this level of resistance over here and now looks like we are trending a little bit higher, I could be expecting the earnings to come above expectation and then to see a retrace, probably like a push up to this area, form a potential double top, then go down to this area over here and then off the races, which then doing that could be forming what we call an inverter head and shoulder, which is quite funny because if you actually calculate the head and shoulder, invert the head and shoulder, and then bring it around this area, around over here, brings you a target of roughly 180, which we were pretty much, very much in line to what we said before. And look at that. It goes exactly to the point where we were discussing before. So that could be a potential scenario. Double top from here, weakness down, maybe down to in between 109, 115, and then boom, another push to the upside. So that's going to be what I can expect right now. We can even go a little bit more intraday and what's going on right now. You can see that pretty much, NVIDIA is consolidating right now, even forming a little inverted head and shoulder from this area here, but you can see it's more into a rectangle right now, just moving like this. We had a pump around this area, moving into a rectangle. So I could be expecting from here a potential pump, up to here, go to this area, have a retracement, and the retracement could go down from there. I'm going to show you this way. So as I said before, push up to all-time high, up to here, then retracement down to the level we were discussing before, 110, something like that, and then boom, another push to the upside. And again, guys, this is not financial advice, but that's what I can see from the chart. I'm going to go also on the 1 hour. We can see a little bit more intraday, what's going on, where we are. And again, guys, although usually these very fast, time frames is very difficult to, understand the direction. But right now, in my opinion, NVIDIA could be forming or a double top scenario or even like an inverted head and shoulder as we were discussing before. Once we break the neckline, we should be able to pump up to this area over here. And the pump, we can bring it this way. And again, guys, corresponds roughly to all-time high. So maybe gonna make it a little bit more like this compared to the neckline, bring it here 140 exactly on the neckline. So let's see how things are going to play out today, but that could be a scenario which I'm expecting to. And then after this, after the pump, I could be seeing like some sell-off, the following day into the market down to this area here, and then of course pump again. So is the bottom of NVIDIA the top on NVIDIA in for this cycle, guys? I don't think so. First of all, I want to see another pump to the upside. So especially I want to see as well on the RSI, I want to see a clear divergence from this point over here, potentially pumping up to this area over here in the next upcoming weeks. So very exciting times. Let's see how we go. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If you have a question, leave a comment down below, but that's what I can see from right now. But of course, if earnings are going to disappoint today, we might see a sell-off before a pump to the upside. Take care, and I'm going to see you in the next video.